Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cargo Collective step by step. If you're artist, designer, photographer, or just want a clean and minimal website, Cargo is the best way to go to build beautiful portfolio with zero coding. So let's jump into the full tutorial. So first of all, just go to Google, search for Cargo, click on this first link here, and it doesn't look like a creative website from the initial page, but that's fine. Let's go and click on Start on the top right side corner. Here you have to enter your email and password and click on OK. Now you can see once you have logged in into your account, on the left side it will give you option of folder wise. So first of all, let's go and click on a folder. So here you can just go and click on plus icon. It will give you a template. Now here you will find a lot of templates on different genres, categories. You can just like this, and there's a lot of, for example, this is a landing page, so this looks really creative. You can search for them, and even on the top right you will see this option of type texture. And here you will find different kind of fonts which you can use it, right? So here you will find a lot of things, and let's go and choose one of them. Let's say this is a board creative, and so let's go with this one, right? This is a board. So if I just go and click on here, and it will give you a preview. So this is how it's going to look over a desktop or PC, and this is how it's going to look over a mobile phone. Now here, let's go and check out something else. If I want to go with this one, so this is a landing page, and this is like a hallucination. Okay, that's cool. And this is how it's look over a mobile phone, and here I can just go and check out something else, right? So that is interesting. Now let's go and click on here, and make sure to click on this plus icon. So if you go and click on plus icon here, it will give you a page copy. So here you can see this is landing page copy. I can edit this up. So let's go and click on edit, and then it will take you here. Now here you can see on the top you will see a lot of option, right? And this is on the right side, you will see this options here. So let's say I want to edit it, right? I don't want this email. Let's say I just want to write here, let's say I want to add here filex filex express. And here if you want to change the fonts, you can change the fonts directly from here. So that is really interesting. Now here this is a page option. Now here this is a clock. Now I can change the clock, and here you can add a clock here. And as you can see here, timer is going on, and you can change whether do you want the 24-hour or just a normal 12-hour clock here. So you will get a lot of options. Right now here this is icons, so you can just put here icons. Right now this is icons here, you can just make it bold. You can add bullets if you want to. So it's completely, you can edit it however you want. If you want to do it for your mobile phone, you can just do it. And same way, let's say I want to go and click on pages here, I can create pages, and this is a width. Now this is an insert option, and there are more options. For example, I want to change this background color to red here. I can change it, although this is something like this a video loop here, so you might not able to change it. But yeah, that is really easy thing to do. Now once you have done, you can just go and click on publish changes. So if I just go and click on publish changes, it will get published, right? So this is really easy thing to do. So this is a cargo URL. So let's me, you can change it up. For example, I just want to make it filex here, filexexpress.cargo.site. So if I just copy this entire thing here, and once you update your link, automatically it will get updated. So you have to just go to Google and search for filexexpress.cargo.site, and you will be landed here. Now this is an interesting thing here. Now let's go back to the home page. To change any text, just you can even change or edit text and images. To add or replace an image, click on an image box and then choose a file from computer or a file tab, and you can just update these images. So you can go with different templates here. You can organize pages. For example, if you want to go with about projects, contacts, you can organize them by dragging them up and down here directly. So this is basically a folder. I can create folders here, right? Each pages can be simple text pages or image create or even a custom layout. Right, so that is completely up to you. If you're a creative guy, then you would just know how to customize each and everything. And you can also add icons or footer sections to include your social media links like Instagram, LinkedIn, Behance, or email. Right, so this was it. I hope that your site looked good. Now click on publish on the top bar which I have shown, and you can continue using the site domain which you have got. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.